Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do a basil chiffonade. Chiffonade is taking a leafy green vegetable. We're going to cut thin ribbons with it, usually used with basil or spinach or maybe a leafy lettuce to do a shredded lettuce for some tacos or your burger. So I have my basil leaves, so I'm just going to pick off these nice green ones, making sure to remove the stem. So I think we have a good amount there. So I'm going to take one of these bigger leaves on here. And I'm going to set my other leaves in the center, just stacking them up nice and flat. And then once I get them all stacked, I'm just going to roll this up. Using the claw grip, I'm going to hold that, and then the pinch grip with my knife. I'm just going to slice nice thin ribbons, taking my fingers back, using my knuckles as a guide. So I would use basil chiffonade and maybe a pasta. I would throw it in towards the end of it. Just to kind of get it, warm it up, just to relieve some of the flavors. It'll keep it from turning black and keep it nice and green. That's chiffonade.